Hi there, it's Tony Valley. Today we're going to be working on chords in the key of D major. Key of D major is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and back to D. Our first chord is going to be a D major. And we're going to be playing these in the first position right here. D major. Next chord is going to be E minor. Next chord we're going to be playing a bar chord, and it's going to be F sharp minor. Then we're going to play a G major. Now for the A, you can play an A major, okay, or the A dominant 7. All right. Then we're just going to go to B minor, and we're going to use a bar chord down here. Now next one is C sharp diminished. And back to our D major. Okay, so those are the basic chords in the key of D major. What we're going to do now is we're going to throw a couple alternate chords in. You can play a D major 7 in the place of the D major. Okay. And you can add in that E minor 7. Now, for the bar chord, you can throw in a minor 7 instead of the regular minor. That's for the F sharp. And for the G major, you just play a G major 7. Okay? And for our A7, A major chord, you can just do the A major 7. All right? There's some different sounds there to add in. And for that B minor, you can make a B minor 7 chord. All right? And that's going to do it for today's lesson. If you have any questions about it, check me out. Again, Tony Valley on Facebook. Hi there, it's Tony Valley. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe.